Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In today's tutorial, I'm playing around with the new Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. But before I start with the eyeshadows, I'm first gonna apply the new eye primer also from Anastasia. I really like this one actually. It's a little bit lighter in color than what I'm used to, but I like how it just evened out my eyelid and made the eyeshadows pop. Time to start with the eyeshadows, and I just have to say that I got so excited when I saw that they were collabing with Alyssa Edwards because I loved her so much on RuPaul's Drag Race. I think she's so funny. Yeah, I just wanted to say that. But anyways, here I'm taking this super bright purple eyeshadow called Believe, and I'm gonna apply this color into the crease and the outer corners of my eyes. I obviously want this look to be very bright and vibrant, so I'm first gonna press the shadow onto the eyelid, and then I'm gonna start blending out the edges. I'm using my favorite small blending brush from Nabla that you've seen me use in a ton of other videos to apply this shade. Next we're gonna go in with the shade Texas Made, which is a hot pink shade, and I'm gonna apply this just above the purple to blend it out. And here I'm using a bigger and fluffier brush to make the blending easier. We're gonna apply the same two eyeshadows onto the lower lash line. So first I'm applying the purple shade all over my lower lash line, and then I'm blending it out with the pink, just like we did in the crease. And definitely don't be afraid to bring this down a little bit and really smoke out that lower lash line. I love to do that with more dramatic looks like this. Now we're gonna go in and create the cut crease, and I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer to carve out my crease. I'm not sure if you can use the ABH primer to do this, but I didn't want to mess this up, so that's why I used the concealer that I knew worked really well for this. So now that I have the crease cut out, I'm gonna press the eyeshadow Inspire from the palette on top of the concealer I just applied using a flat eyeshadow brush. Then I'm gonna go in with the pink eyeshadow again and press this into the outer corners of my eyes where the champagne gold shade on the lid meet the purple to get a nicer transition between the two colors. I also went in with a little bit of the purple to make sure that everything was blended to perfection. For the inner corners, I'm first going to apply the matte shade called Headliner, and then I added a little bit of Inspire on top for some shimmer. Now I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Gel Eyeliner Crayon in the purple shade called Grapevine and line my waterline. Next I'm using the Serial Liner from Nabla to line my upper lash line, and I just started using this liner a few weeks ago and I love it so much. It's so dark, and I can do a winged liner in literally like 5 seconds with it. It's so easy to use and it's definitely a new favorite. Now I'm gonna apply the Colourpop BFF mascara and Russian Blue lashes from Feline Lashes. Okay, so now we're gonna do the white liner, and I'm gonna be honest, and I was so scared to do this because I didn't want to mess up and ruin the look. That's why I did the lashes and mascara first, and I took some photos, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna do it. And I did it, and it turned out so good. but definitely do this before mascara and lashes because I could barely see anything because of the lashes. But yeah, I think it turned out really good. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!